Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andi in case you're new here, and today I brought you this gorgeous jewelry set tutorial. Actually, we are going to crochet the bracelet. The necklace is exactly the same, just a little bit longer, but each and every step is exactly the same. I'm also going to include the link to the tutorial of the earrings. You can find it in the description box below, as well as in the end of the video. I'm going to place it on the screen. Once you're done with that, don't forget to tag me on my other social media platforms such as TikTok or Instagram. Don't forget to download my new free ebook about the 7 crochet mistakes that beginners do and how to fix them fast. Don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. And if you would like to support me with the yarn, you can do it in the Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I placed the link below this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. So to make the necklace and the bracelet, we will need to start by making a slip knot. So have a look. We're going to hold the yarn like this. Insert 2 of the fingers, rotate it down, grab the yarn and pull through. In this tutorial, I'm going to prepare the bracelet version, but the necklace is identical, just a little bit longer. So we're going to chain 35. So yarn over, pull through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 35. Have a look. We created quite a long chain here. We pull out slightly the yarn, grab one of the wooden beads, insert and pull it through. Perfect. Now you have a look. These ones are looking like as if you have like V's here. So we need to turn it to the opposite side, okay? And have a look. Not the first one here, the second one in the middle. There is this little chain. I'm gonna pick it up for you to show this one, okay? Have a look in the middle. You see everywhere. I'm gonna show you more. So these ones, you see, these ones, okay? We're gonna work on these ones. So we just insert it here in the second chain, grab the yarn, and we are going to pull it through, make a slip stitch. Then do the next one as well, the same. So this middle chain, and pull through. Middle chain, and then pull through. We're gonna do this one just the same way with each middle chain until we arrive down till the end of this chain. And this is the last one. Okay. Now have a look. This is what we created so far. And now we're going to yarn over 5 times. So first yarn over and insert in this middle. See, in the middle there is this little space here. Okay, so we are going to insert, pull through. Just keep it nice and loose, okay? So this is the second time. 3, 4, then 5. Then yarn over and pull through in all of them other than the last little loop here. Then yarn over and pull through in the last two as well. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we need to yarn over 5 times the same exactly like kind of puff stitch that we did in this stitch. So have a look, yarn over, insert it here, pull through. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more, 5. Yarn over, pull over in all of them other than the last one. Then yarn over and pull through in all the 2 loops. Okay, now we are going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we are going to insert it in this initial little hole, the one that we did all the chains, and pull through. Turn the work, and now in this loop that we created, we are going to make 8 times single crochets. So insert 1, pull through in both of the 2 loops, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can make some more space by pulling these chains. 6, 7, then 8. Then here in the middle, where we have this chain 3 space, insert and pull it through, just like this. Now in this space we're gonna make this puff stitch that we did before, so we're gonna yarn over 5 times. So yarn over 1, yarn over 2, yarn over 4, yarn over 5, yarn over, pull through in all of them other than the last one, then yarn over and pull through in the other 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we are going to repeat exactly in the same hole 5 times again. 1, yarn over, 2, yarn over, 3, yarn over, 4, and yarn over 5. Then yarn over, pull through in all of them other than the last loop, then yarn over and pull through in the last 2 loops, and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're going to make a slip stitch here in the base, in the bottom of this hole where we did the puff stitches as well. So just insert and make a slip stitch. Now we're gonna turn this around. So again, we are gonna have this chain 4 and we are coming from the right hand side. Insert it here and make 8 times single crochets into this loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make some space. 6, 7, and then 8. Then we're going to make a slip stitch in this chain 3 space in the center. Again, we're going to repeat it. I'm going to show you one more time, and it's going to be repeat from now on. So we're going to do yarn over 5 times. So yarn over inside, 1, yarn over 2, yarn over 3, yarn over 4, and yarn over 5. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through in all of them other than the last one. Then yarn over and pull through in both of the 2. Then chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Then yarn over, insert again 5 times. So 1, yarn over, insert 2, yarn over 3, yarn over 4, yarn over 5, yarn over, pull through in all of them other than the last loop, then yarn over and pull through in the last 2, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now make a slip stitch here in this chain, so the base of these 2 puff stitches. Insert, grab the yarn over and pull through. Turn it around, and again we have this chain 4 space. We are coming from the right side, and we are going to make 8 times single crochet inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we can actually make some more space. Pull it down. So 6, 7, and 8. And then on the top where we have the chain 3 space, we're going to insert and make a slip stitch. Have a look. Okay, so this is a repeat from now on. So now just have a look at your wrist as well. It's around 16-17 centimeter based on the size of the wrist. I'm going to make 16 for this bracelet. I'm also going to put on the screen how many centimeters you need to do for the necklace version. So once we're done from this point until the other side without this tying part with the 16 centimeter or 17, I'm going to wait you here. So we have done the 16 centimeters or 17. Have a look. It's just finishing here. And now we're going to finish this one off. So here we need to chain 35. So yarn over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 34, 35. That's quite a long chain here. Pull out slightly. Now we are going to add the wooden bead. So I just added on top of the crochet hook. Grab the yarn and pull through. Now we're going to rotate again to the back side. And here, the second chain in the middle, and pick that up, we are going to make slip stitches. So grab it over and pull through. Now the next one in the middle, again we're going to insert we're going to grab the yarn and pull through again. Next one. Grab the yarn over and pull through. And now we're going to continue the same, and we're going to do it here until the baseline, all of these middle stitches a slip stitch. I'm finishing up with the last one here, the slip stitch, and then just leave a bit of a tail and we can cut the excess yarn. Now we can pull out the yarn and add the yarn needle. Now we are going to make a couple of stitches here to secure it. I'm going to add the first one here in this stitch, just like this, because I want to make sure that it's nicely holding on and kind of brought it in the middle. And now we're going to make a couple of stitches so it will stay in the same place. And now when it's nicely secured, we can just cut the excess yarn here, and this side is ready. And now, of course, don't forget you have to do the same thing in this other side as well with this yarn. So we are done with our gorgeous bracelet, or if you have done the necklace, we are done with them. And please don't forget to share them with me and tag me on my other social media platforms such as TikTok or Instagram. I would love to see how yours turned out. And if you would love to do the earrings, I have placed a link on the upper right corner of the screen. Don't forget to download my free ebook about the 7 crochet mistakes that beginners do and how to fix them fast. Don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. And thank you very much for being here with me today. I hope I'll see you very soon in my next tutorial as well. Take care and see you very soon.